Cascadas family resort. You've got to have cards to get in. It's quite a large place and you can't get in at all. I do my best. I do it at night because it's been so hot today. Oh, it helps. This is it in the dark. It's closed.
Вам не вкусно здесь стоять, да? На территории это кто-то есть вообще там или нет?
Территория есть охрана.
Так вот никого нет. У нас
That's it all up here. It's good how it is. It's all enclosed. Nothing. It's only one door in, and unless you've got a card. Yeah. It's all no entry. It's all no entry unless you've got the card to get in. It's quite a big place. It's quite nice. But you've got kids, it makes yourself they can't get out, can they? I've never been round this way before, so it's a bit different. Yeah, it's all banded security on the thing, so it's not even worth trying. You've got the old black bands. It's quite a nice place. Not a bit far out for the beach. You might probably about 20-minute walk. This is the area. Sorry, I can't do no more. I was trying to think of these complexes. You can't get in them. It's understandable, not supposed to. It's quite big as well. You've got portal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I don't know how many it goes up to, I don't know. I guess it's going to be like that. I wasn't going to do it, bother, but I thought nice little walk out. I thought I'd come down here at night. Got a bakery. Got bits and pieces up here. Got a restaurant here on the corner. If you're not a beach lover, it's ideal. Mexican, fish, seafood. I bet some people it brings back memories. Yeah, this is basically on the main road. Take a left. You turn right, you go towards the beach. So about a good 20 minutes. It's only one thing, the roads are not that bloody brilliant. So if you do ever come out this way, bring a torch. Unless you get a minicab back. Yeah, it's quite a lot of hotels around this bit as well. It's lit in places, but other places it's not. That's where you normally find the O's more than anything. That's like another resort. You can't get in unless you've got a key card. Oh, Someone's got a new door bought on, I think. It's well lit.